The best healthy breakfast is baked oatmeal with bananas. It has a lot of healthy elements and it is deliciously good. Because they are a source of whole grains and are high in fiber, oats will keep you full for several hours. This baked oatmeal recipe is also loaded with calcium, protein, and fruit, making it a great healthy breakfast option that is both affordable and delightful. The ingredients you need are 2 cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup mashed banana, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 cup pecan pieces, 1 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Instructions: butter an 8 by 8 inch pan. Mix the rolled oats, pecan bits, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon in a medium bowl. Place the dried goods in the ready-made pan. Break apart the bananas. Combine the bananas, milk, vanilla, and maple syrup in the same bowl. Over the oats, drizzle the milk mixture. To ensure that everything is thoroughly combined, lightly stir with a spoon. Set the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 45 minutes of baking should result in a lovely brown top. Take the food out of the oven and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Slices of banana are placed on top of the peanut butter covered surface. Dish out. If you enjoy what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel Chell 432. Thanks for watching.